Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here, and we've got a little bit of mail to open here. This is actually the Silver Scorpion community box, and I have actually had this for almost probably 3 weeks. I didn't open it. I contacted him and let him know why, because I actually received it the week of Christmas, and I have no luck sending packages out during the holidays. So we are past Christmas, we are past New Year's, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to see if there's anything in here that I can't live without, and then I am going to add something to it and send it on. So I actually don't know what that is. That is, oh, it looks like a penny. It's a penny collection, the 1950s wheat penny collection. So that was right up here on top. Hopefully I'll be able to get all this stuff back in here. I don't know all where it's been, but I know where it's going next. So I'm going to just go through this as I can open it. Let's see. What am I goofing up here? I don't want to goof anything up. So this is a 71 proof Ike dollar. That was in there. Let's see if I can get this. It says Pirate Stacker on it. Let's see if I can get this out. There are some other things in here, and my instructions were if there was something I liked or something I wanted to take it and then put something back of equal value. This is it's actually a silver slide. I know what this is. It's used to slide your silver coins down. I have my own opinions about these. I'll just keep my opinion to myself. If you go back and look, I have a counterfeit video way back in the beginning. You can go check that video out, and it will explain my beliefs about the slides and such as that. And wow, this thing is heavy. Okay. Holy cow. So this box has obviously been making some rounds. I have to keep it. And let's see what we've got in here. Holy cow. It says, thank you all. Thank you for being part of this. Take a sticker, and you don't have to leave a bunch of yours for other ones that are left when the box returns and will be given away. Silver Scorpion. So there's the stickers, and this is number 100, and there's a Benny in here, and it looks like a 1 ounce flag. There is, looks like a foreign coin package. There's a lot of stuff to look at in here. I don't know how we're going to do this. There's another pack of coins and stuff in here. I don't even know what's in there. This is silver cooters, and I have to open that and look at it. Here is some more stuff, all as one lot or separate. Man, there's a lot of stuff in here. These are some obviously slab coins. This is a 1 pound. I don't know if that, I don't see It just says 1 pound. I don't know if that is supposed to be silver. It looks like silver, but it doesn't say silver anywhere that I see, unless it's on the side here. Has a serial number, and that is all I see. So I'm assuming that's silver. I don't really know. And we've got some, looks like tokens and other things, and stickers of all kinds. And a little bomb, little silver, looks like a little silver cast bomb, and a little bear. And I recognize the bag. And this looks like just a roll of, I think a roll of Wheaties or pennies, old pennies, an empty bag. This is a Liberty coin. Several little, looks like a little cast bird from Stephen, and a little 2 scorpion only. I believe these are all from Stephen. Yeah. So we'll set these out over here. Oh, I gotta sit back down. My back doesn't cooperate with me anymore. Roll of 64, looks like BU pennies. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get all this back in here. Another looks like some silver coins. Some more silver stuff that is taped up. Little mini Crown Royal bag with some coins in it, it appears to be. Retired Navy. There's an Indian penny. There's a ½ gram of gold. That's pretty cool. Don't tread on me. And it says if you take something, you're supposed to put something back of equal value. So I'm going to have to look at this closer. There's North Carolina. A heart. It's got the state on it, North Carolina. Let's see. I got another bag in here with coins. So I'm going to have to kind of go through this and see if there's, because you know if there's anything in here with a 13 on it, I'm probably going to snag it. This is a bunch of copper rounds. And some more copper pieces. Wow, it could take a year to go through this thing. This is my first experience with a community box, so I'm really kind of wanting to look through it, because it appears there's all kind of stuff in here. There's sets, there's proof sets, gold backs. Another bag with a bunch of coins in it. Some more Carolina hearts. And I think that is it. And then another little bag. This apparently has some alluvial gold. natural gold flakes, and a bunch of stickers, pirate prepping, and looks like a old copper New World Pirate era Spanish bronze 14 1600s. That's kind of neat looking, kind of interesting. So that goes in there. This was in there. There's something else down here, a little thin. Well, we won't repeat what's on there, but it's kind of cute. 999 fine silver. Looks like a 20. So that's what I'm going to do, guys, real quick. I'm not going to open every single thing up here for you guys to see with me, because like I said, this would be 10 hours long if I did that. I do want to look for, like I said, any kind of hand pours that are 13s, because I do collect 13s. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll get back at you if I see if I find anything I can't live without. And I just wanted to show you this. This is where the box is going next. And thank you for the card, my friend, and for the sticker. I greatly appreciate that. It's from SHTF, and that's where I was told the box is going next. So anyhow, guys, give me a few minutes to go through this stuff. I'll get back at you. If I see anything super odd or whatever, I'll point it out. And like I said, this is my first experience with a community box, so it's a little overwhelming to try and decide what you're going to do. So alright, let me get back at you in a couple minutes. Okay, guys, I have gone through this about as thoroughly as I think I can. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything stamped, or any hand pours that were 13s. Oh, I was hoping that little bomb was, but it's just a little bomb from Silver Keys. But that is pretty cool. I guess it looks like Fat Man, the hydrogen bomb. Or not hydrogen, but the atom bomb, Fat Man. That's what it looks like anyway. I'm not sure. But that's pretty cool. There's a lot of really neat stuff in here. The only thing that did catch my eye was probably some fractional silvers in here, because I don't have any. I have maybe 1 or 2 halves, but I don't have anything smaller than that. I'm going to set this aside for now. I haven't decided or not whether I want to take any of those. I'm going to try my best to repack this box and see if I can get all this stuff back in here, and then I'm going to put something in there. So I will get back to you guys in just a bit. Okay, everybody, after several attempts, I did manage to get everything back in this box. It's getting pretty full. Anyway, like I said earlier, I was actually hunting for something that may have been hand poured that was marked 13, because I collect 13s. I didn't find anything, and so while going through this stuff, I told you I did find some fractionals, which are right here. I think there's a half, and there's some quarters, and there's some tenths. But in pure silver, it turns out to 1.84 troy ounces, pure silver. I'm going to replace that. Like I said, this is my first time with a community box, so I do want to get something out of it. I think I have a little 1 gram fractional bar that Bradley Height sent me a long time ago, but other than that, I don't really have any. So I'm going to swap these for a BYS number 4 pure silver bar, and I will put a sticker in with that. So I'm actually putting a tenth more silver back in than I'm taking out. I know these have a premium, but also our hand pours have a premium. It also does have the test mark on it right here. So that's what I'm going to be putting back in the box. Let's see if you can see it. I don't know, but it's almost 2 ounces, 1.94 troy ounces. And like I said, I'm pulling out, what I'm pulling out is this little stack of fractionals, which is 1.84 troy ounces. So I'm going to get this thing packed back up. It was near impossible to get it all back in the box, but I'm going to get this thing put in there, and I'm going to get it sent to the next person in line. So, guys, have fun with this. It took me probably a good hour to go through the box, and I didn't want to drag y'all through that. I mean, you know, I'm sure when he gets it all back, he's going to do the giveaway, and you know, we're going to see everything that's in it then. So, I actually have a refine I have to get started this week, so we'll be starting a silver refine probably in a couple of days, as soon as it warms up a little bit. It's been freezing here. So let me get this wrapped up, get it in here, get it in there with a sticker and stuff like that, and we're going to get this thing on its way. Guys, have fun with this. Take care. Everybody stay safe. Try and, you know, stay away from the vid if you can. We're doing our best just to stay home. And we'll see you guys in the next video.